How to properly ignore exceptions. When you just want to do a try except without handling the exception, how do you do it in Python? Is the following the right way to do it?
Or the difference is that the second one will also catch keyboard interrupt, system exit and stuff like that, which are derived directly from base exception, not exception. See documentation for details. Try statement exceptions. However, it is generally bad practice to catch every error. See why is except, pass a bad programming practice.
It's generally considered best practice to only catch the errors you are interested in. In the case of shuffle.roomtree, it's probably Osera. If you want to silently ignore that error, you would do. Why? Say you, somehow, accidentally pass the function an integer instead of a string, like. It will give the error type error, coercing to Unicode, needs string or buffer, in found. You probably don't want to ignore that, which can be difficult to debug. If you definitely want to ignore all errors, catch exception rather than a bare except column statement. Again, why? Not specifying an exception catches every exception, including the system exit exception, which for example sys.exit uses. Compare this to the following, which correctly exits. If you want to write ever better behaving code, the Osera exception can represent various errors, but in the example above we only want to ignore ERNO2, so we could be even more specific.
When you just want to do a try-catch without handling the exception, how do you do it in Python? It depends on what you mean by handling. If you mean to catch it without taking any action, the code you posted will work. If you mean that you want to take action on an exception without stopping the exception from going up the stack, then you want something like this.
First I quote the answer of Jack O'Connor from this thread. The referenced thread got closed, so I write here. There's a new way to do this coming in Python 3.4. Here's the commit that added it, this URL. And here's the author, Raymond Hettinger, talking about this and all sorts of other Python hotness, this URL. My addition to this is the Python 2.7 equivalent. Then you use it like in Python 3.4.
If you want the favorite clase considers inscribing